A very good morning to everyone. So today we are going to discuss the topic adverbs, right? So I hope this is not a new topic for us. We have done it many a times before. We are doing it since our third class, and now you people are in sixth class, right? So what are adverbs? The words which modify the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb, right? You need not to cram this, just understand this. See the heading of the title, right? This is adverb, means that adds something to the meaning of verb. Add verb, that adds something to the meaning of verbs. But along with the verbs, it also adds something to the meaning of adjective or another adverb, right? So examples are, if I say it adds something to the meaning of verb, so its example is she sings sweetly. Here you can see sweetly I have colored it with red color. That means, and sings is in blue color. Sings is the verb. So we are just asking the question, how does she sing? That means she sings sweetly. Sweetly is adding something to the meaning of the verb sings. That is why sweetly is adverb. So it is adding something to the meaning of verb, right? The next example, if we see, I talk of adjective, that it adds something to the meaning of adjective. The example is, my mother is very beautiful. What is beautiful here? Beautiful is adjective, because adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Here beautiful is depicting my mother. My mother is beautiful, but how much is she beautiful? And further, jo very hai, that is adding something to the meaning of beautiful. So very is adverb here, that is adding something to the meaning of beautiful adjective. So that means adverbs also modify the meaning of adjectives also. Next, I told you that adverbs also modify the meaning of another adverb. Now, if I talk about adverb, example is, he runs extremely fast. First of all, see, fast is adverb. How does he run? How does he run? He runs fast. So that means fast is already an adverb, but extremely is also adding to the meaning of fast, adding something to the meaning of fast. That means extremely is also working as adverb here, that is adding something to the meaning of another adverb. So you will remember here that verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, they are like three brothers. Okay, they are like three brothers, where verbs is the eldest one, and then adjectives and adverbs are his younger brothers, right? So जो verb है वो अपने आप को भी modify कर रहा है, decorate कर रहा है, अपने छोटे भाई adjective को भी decorate या modify कर रहा है, और उससे छोटे भाई adverb को भी decorate या modify कर रहा है. That means adverb जो है, it is the word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. I hope the examples are clear to you. Now let's move to the types of adverb. So first type is adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? It shows the way of occurrence of the action. Means how an action is done. In what way an action is done. As the name depicts itself, manner, the way. In which manner an action is being done. In which manner, in which way an action has been done. So it answers the question how, right? ये how का आंसर देता है. If you ask the question, whatever the sentence is given to you, if you frame a question regarding that sentence, you will find that your question gives you the answer of how. First example, the old couple lived happily. Frame its question. The question will be, how did the old couple live? Sam drives carelessly. How does Sam drive? The boys rowed well. How did the boys row? She ran fast. How did she run? In four of the examples, you saw that I am framing the question with the help of how, and all the adverbs happily, carelessly, well, and fast. These words are giving me the answer of how. How the old couple lived? The old couple lived happily. How does Sam drive? Sam drives carelessly. How did the boys row? The boys rowed well. How did she run? She ran fast. So, all these sentences are giving us the answer of how. Another examples of adverb of manner are rudely, sadly, fast, wisely, foolishly, badly, nicely, neatly. Means the words which give you the answer of how. So, this is regarding adverb of manner, right? So the next type is adverb of time. As the name depicts itself, it shows us the time at which an action takes place. All the adverbs are modifying the verbs. Mainly these modify the verbs, but somewhere it can also modify adjective or another adverb. But the main work of the adverb is to add the meaning, add something to the meaning of a verb. So here it depicts us at which time an action takes place. The time at which an action takes place. So it answers the question when. When you will frame the questions, you will see that you are framing the question with the help of when. Let's see some examples. So first example is Ram will complete the work by tomorrow. When will Ram complete the work? I have met Ramesh before. When I have met Ramesh, she left early. When did she leave? The doctor is coming immediately. When is the doctor coming? So as you can see, the words which have been colored in red color, those all words are giving us the answer of when. Ram will complete the work. When will Ram complete the work? Tomorrow. When I have met Ramesh? I have met Ramesh before. When did she leave? She left early. When is the doctor coming? Immediately. So all these words are giving us the answer of when. That means when you ask the question when, adverb of time will give you the answer of when. Another examples of adverb of time are soon, late, today, tonight, then, yesterday, and now. So the next type is adverb of place. That means the name depicts itself, it shows us the place of occurrence of the action. Place means where that action has been occurred. It tells us about the place of occurrence of action. So that means it answers the question where. Means whenever you frame the questions of the sentences, you will find that you are framing the questions with the help of where. Let's see the examples. Some people are fighting downstairs. Where are some people fighting? My mother has gone out. Where has my mother gone? The boys ran forward. Where did the boys run? So now look at the answers. It giving it these words downstairs, out, and forward. These words are giving us the answer of where. Where were some people fighting? Downstairs. Where has my mother gone? Out. Where did the boys run? Forward, right? So you saw that whenever you are giving the answer of these type of adverbs, you are giving the answers of where, right? So another examples of adverb of place are here, there, hither, thither, near, outside, inside, top, bottom, upstairs, downstairs, etc. Now the next type is adverb of frequency. Frequency means how many times, how often that action takes place. How often, कितनी बार वो काम होता है, कितनी बार आप करते हो. It shows how often an action occurs. That means it answers the question how often. Whenever you will frame the questions of this type of adverb, you will frame the questions with the help of how often, right? Let's see the examples. Mohan goes to the temple regularly. How often Mohan goes to the temple? I exercise every day. How often I exercise? Twice the boy struck him. How often the boy struck him? He seldom came here. How often he came here? Now you can see the words regularly, every day, twice, and seldom. These words are giving us the answer of how often. How often Mohan goes to the temple? Regularly. How often I exercise? Every day. How often the boy struck him? Twice. How often he came here? Seldom. Seldom means kabhi kabhi. Another examples of adverb of frequency are daily, कि daily basis पे काम होता है, weekly, frequently, monthly, annually, usually, and often. So these are some of the examples of adverb of frequency. Now here I have made a frequency chart for you people so that you can just understand how an adverb of frequency falls between 0% to 100%, right? From 0% to 100%. Like if I talk about कि वो काम कितनी बार होता है, कितनी उसकी परसेंटेज है काम होने की, तो दैट मीन्स 100% है. और जो चीज 100% होती है, दैट इज ऑलवेज. I always wake up at 6 o'clock, right? Means कि आप कितनी बार सुबह 6 बजे उठते हो. मैं हमेशा ही 6 बजे उठता हूं. Next, if I say 90%, 90% means usually, कि काफी बार. I usually come here after work. 80% normally और generally, जो काम हम normally करते हैं. I generally swim after school. 70% often या frequently, काफी बार होता है. I often spend time in watching TV. 50% sometimes, कभी कभी. I sometimes play game on mobile. 30% occasionally, किसी occasion पे. I occasionally eat Chinese food. 10% seldom, बहुत ही कम. I seldom go to library. 5% rarely, बहुत ही कम, means I rarely listen to the radio. And 0% means never, कि वो काम कभी नहीं होता. I never listen to rock music. मैं कभी भी rock music को नहीं सुनता हूँ. Okay? So this was about frequency chart. Next type is adverb of degree. It shows how much or to what extent an action is done. Beta, there are two parts of adverb of degree. In A part, it just shows us how much that, what is the intensity of the action and how much that action has been done. So it answers the question how much, right? It will be clearer to you with the help of examples. So let's see the examples. First is, he was extremely tired. How much was he tired? Samaira runs very fast. How much fast does Samaira run. He is working too hard for his project. How much hard he is working for his project. So the words extremely, very, and too, these are giving us the answer of how much. How much he was tired? He was extremely tired. How much fast does Samaira run? Very fast. How much hard he is working for his project? Too hard. That means all these words are giving us the answer of how much, and hence these are adverb of degree. Another examples of adverb of degree are quite. I'm quite tired. Entirely. He is entirely deaf. Partly. He is partly deaf. Nearly. I'm nearly exhausted. Almost. I am almost tired. Extremely. I'm extremely happy today. So these are adverb of degree. Now in second part, you would see that I earlier told you that adverbs add something to the meaning of adjectives. So the adverb which modify adjectives, those adverbs are known as adverb of degree. Adverbs also qualify adjectives and add something to their meanings. For example, he is quite strong. Here strong is adjective and quite is adding something to the meaning of strong. She was almost angry. Angry is again an adjective and almost is qualifying angry. The sun is extremely hot. Hot is adjective and extremely is qualifying hot. She is very beautiful. Beautiful is adjective and very is modifying beautiful. So the words quite, almost, extremely, and very are adverb of degree here, which are qualifying or adding something to the meanings of strong, angry, hot, and beautiful. And these are adjectives. Okay. So I hope adverb of degree is clear to you. Now the last kind of adverb is interrogative adverb, right? So it is very much clear from its name. Its name depicts itself. These adverbs are used at the beginning of a sentence to ask a question. What is interrogation? Interrogation means to ask questions. So these adverbs are used to ask questions. Let us come to the examples now. First example is, where is my passport? So where, it is just telling us about the place. If I ask you, where is my passport? Your answer can be, my passport is in the drawer. So as we already read that place, time, manner, and reason, these are interrogative adverbs. Second, when will the train arrive? It is just telling us about the time of the action. When will the train arrive? If I ask you when will the train arrive, you will answer the train will arrive at 4 o'clock. How are you today? This is a manner. How? In what manner you are asking something. How are you today? Aap kaise ho? So it is giving us the answer of manner. We are asking the question about manner. The last is, why are you late? This is reason. Reason is another kind of adverb that is not in your syllabus, but adverb of reasoning is also there. So why जो है वो भी interrogative adverb में आता है. Where, when, how, and why. That tells us about place, time, manner, and reason. So this was the last kind of adverb, that was interrogative adverb. So what we have done, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, जिसको हम PTM के नाम से भी जानते हैं. PTM, it is parents teacher meeting, but on another side it is adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of manner. Next is adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, and interrogative adverb, that means FDI. Otherwise it is foreign direct investment, but here it is adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, and interrogative adverb. So that means there are 6 kinds of adverbs, and I'm very much sure, I'm pretty sure that you are clear about all the types. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you so much.